Where are we first of all?
We're in Osbourne community, it's Goldsmith Villa area. So you know, somebody in association with somebody just come up with this brilliant idea and say, yo, what because we want to bring back the community together. So we're just doing this, you know, to bring back, you know, if you see, it's joy, nobody, no violence, no war. You understand?
Yeah, I know from with COVID and the lockdown, we just need something to uplift the kids them and the spirits, you know, we play a little football, netball, and we just say, hey, let's just make everybody enjoy themselves and come together.
Yeah.
Yeah, peace, love and joy in the community, it's in the unity. Yeah.
Well, Osbourne is a place now that is normally known for, you know.
Yeah, but we don't want that right now.
Yeah.
We just have to deal with the kids them right now.
Yeah.
And deal with love.
So I'm a peace builder for the community. I'm a social worker, so we are trying to build back the community. So I'm not too old to build back with the young people, because you know unity is what brings the community together. And if we're trying to build back the community together, we have to draw from the young to the old. So that's what we're doing. I really appreciate you being here to even doing this for us to highlight our community. Thank you.